Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Mosaic. Sorry to get on so late. My kids woke up early today, so now I got to deal with them. um, yeah, so it's pre-NY right now. Um, I drew out this analysis before. I just got out of the restroom right now. And in that time, basically, price right before I seen it pushing up into the zone, and I was like, damn, if it engulfs it, I might just see, we might just see a push up, right? But it's still respecting the 15-minute 50 EMA. So I still like this trade right here. I think if it breaks up like past this, then we could see a push up and we could possibly see something like maybe a push down like this. And we could take this up to the upside. I don't know if I take it because we're still in a downtrend, but I think we could see something like that if it breaks above, if we see an engulfing candle above. But as of right now, I like what the 15 minutes doing. If we go to the 15-minute chart, we can see that it's still respecting it, right? Even though we got these rejections right here. Touchdown. Touchdown. Do it. Good throw. Touchdown. Yeah. I'm okay with those. I still like what I'm seeing right here. So we got 6 minutes till open. I like what I see here. But I'll be real with you. I like what I see on US30 a little bit more. Let me show you US30. US30 showing a continuation down. I didn't really see a break of structure. So what I see here is that price is still respecting the zone, even though it's respecting this, kind of built this support level right here. It's also somewhat, respected this IOC. It's respecting this area so far. I do think it could retrace up, so I think it's important to see. I think it's important to see how these candles finish right here. Dang, sorry about my voice. It's important to see how these candles finish right here. So, sorry, my son just spilled all types of shit. Already dealing with it. Um, I think it is important to see how these finish and what they're gonna do, because the way they finish is gonna kind of tell us what's what right here. If we're gonna continue a push up, if we're gonna start to come down. If it breaks above here and it's too strong, then I know, you know what, I'm not gonna take this trade. But the reason I like US30 is because we have an IOC right here. For the most part, it did break below a little bit, but it didn't break below here, so I'm kind of iffy about it. But I do like that we're still in a downtrend, so I'd be willing to take the trade. But we'll see how price finishes out these last 4 minutes or whatever, and then we'll see what it gives us. Once we see that, then we could go from there. And we'll see what's what with the trade. I do think it could make it down to these levels over here, though. If we go to our left, or you know what, let me just show you here. Throw it, Papa, throw it. Good throw. Touchdown. Now we're getting to a key area, too. This is a golden zone IOC. Touchdown. Yeah. Touchdown.
When's it gonna be raining? Wait, today's off. Today.
September. So you can see there's kind of been this rejection candle right here on the 2 hour.
It's gonna rain.
Now, if we go to the 1 hour, we see another clear rejection right here. So this is why I kind of like the trade outside of this supply and demand area. And if we go to the daily, you can see why we've had a rejection here, rejection here. So let's see if we could possibly see a little bit of a rejection here. Oh, whoops. Both of them, really. This is actually key right here. Wow. Well, let me show you guys something real quick. I mean, hold on. I know it's right before open, but check this out. Right here, 78.6% IOC. We had the break of structure, this high, higher high because it broke this lower high. And check this thing out. Throw it, Papa, throw it. We could see a retracement right here. Let me take a look at Nas. Nas saying almost there, Nas. It's inside of the IOC. So these are all key. I think we could see a bit of a push today. Let's see what the market gives us. Because this could be a huge move to the upside, right? A couple hundred pips. So let me see some. It's literally touched it. The body right here. I'm not. Oh yeah, literally tapped the body. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Maybe we see a retest, a reject, but man, I'm not sure. Yeah, I like the rejection right here. So let's go down to back to our chart and see what we see. Look at it starting to push. It's starting to push. I'm gonna put my buy in. Let's see if it doesn't break this. I might put my sell in here because it's an IOC. You see how it's somewhat rejecting right here? But it might come up. I'm not gonna lie. The way it's sitting on top of this, let's see if we get a retest of this EMA right. Oh, maybe no retest of the EMA. So it's in this sell-off zone that I did have, and I still like it for a sell. But after what I've seen right there, we might see a huge push. All right, let's see if it comes back and retests the EMAs right here. Or if it's just going to come down from here. I'll wait for it to break below here for the sell. Or for it to retest and come off at this level. All right. Man, that's a big drop. Let's see how it finishes. I might. I'm gonna sell. I just sold right now. I mean, it depends how it finishes too, but I think it should come down. Maybe we have a retest back at this zone. Hopefully we see it come back a little bit deeper in here. All right, so I'm in the trade already. I'm in at 61. Now this is key right here. Let's see if it can stay below here. I like the rejection at the golden zone ILC. I wish I would have got in up top. Now we're getting a little retest of this zone, so let's see. See if it can break below right here. I like this candle right here. Hopefully it can stay below this 1 minute EMA. Want that? Let's see if it can break below. This is going to be key at this support level, right? So I got quite a few positions in right now. I might just take one out just to secure something. I just closed something real quick, a quarter of my position, just to secure something. I'm going to move my stops to break even now. Stops to break even. All right, I just closed another bit of my position just to secure dollars. It does look like it's coming down. Let's see if it can break below right here. I like that it broke. It didn't necessarily break this though, right? So that's what I'm kind of worried about. I like the way the 5 minute looks, but it can still come up on us, which I don't like. But let's see if it can use this as kind of like a support level, a resistance level at this area, right? Support, support, resistance. Come down. Hold on, dude. Ah, it would shoot up on us. I'm putting my stops down a little bit, down to 357-ish. Hopefully we see the rejection down. So I've closed half of my positions. I closed at about 31 pips, 32 pips, and then I closed at about 42 pips to get me to 369 for the day. I got about 300 floating right now. 200, 300, it's sitting around here. I don't like that it's coming up, just being honest. You know what I mean? Yeah, I don't like that it's coming down or pushing up on us. Let's see if it can break below here now. 25 seconds. Let's see if it can finish strong below here. Yeah, I wish I would have got up in here. I was just, I seen what was kind of going on, so that's what made me like, okay, maybe I should hold off a little bit. I like the way this candle finished, but let's see if it can finish below a little bit stronger. It's still somewhat respecting that level right there. Rah! You want your football? All right, I just closed another bit of my position, about 68 pips. That put me at 686 for the day. I got a 0.05 flat runner. I'm gonna let this one ride for a bit. Hopefully, let's see. Good throw. Let's go, man. It's not the best risk to reward ratio, but if we could see it hit the whole way, then we could see it hit the whole way. And I mean, that's what I have to get better at is holding my trades. But I like to secure profit, especially when I see something at this lower low created. When I see a lower low created and I don't see much of a retracement, that gives me cause to pause because look at what's happening now, right? Now it's starting to shoot up on us. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Touchdown. There you go. Damn, look at that retracement right there. Touchdown. Touchdown. Get it, Papa, get it. Yeah, if it comes up, I just put my stops above this area right here. If it comes up and takes me out, it comes up and takes me out. I got in late. My entry should have been up here. This would have prevented this from happening, right? From me getting stopped out from here. Touchdown. Yeah, good throw, Papa. All right, yeah, it just stopped me out. I'm going to call it a day right there. Um, Look, it might come up right here and just reject it and come down, right? Since it broke these lows. And that's why you're okay. Fuck it. I'm done for the day. I caught my 70 pips or whatever it was, um, or 60 pips. Yeah, look at it's coming up a little bit more. Wow. You know what that is, right? That's a retest of this golden zone, right? Look at that. Retest of this golden zone. Or it's not even a golden zone. It's a 78.6 IOC. Retest of that. I respected it, right? Wow, look at the rejection again out of the resistance area. What? Okay. It looks like it's pushing up. But I wouldn't put a buy in just because we're in a seller's market. It's golden zone. It's been retested, but I wouldn't chance it. Whoa, good throw. There you go. Yeah. I mean, I like the touchdown. I like the way it broke back below here. All right. Respected and rejected this. I kind of like that. I like the way it's looking right now. Let's see if it retests this area up here. Let me draw this out. Yeah. All right. I just hopped in the trade. We'll see what happens. I'm going to have a very small stop loss right here. If it comes back up, it comes back up. We'll see if it can make it our way down. I'm not up that. How many pips am I up? I'm up about 4 pips. Now I'm down about 7 pips. If it breaks above here, I'm going to just pull my trade. Look at it breaking. Yeah, and that's why 117 left. I got to be a little bit smarter than that. Yeah, 15 minute is showing a rejection off of that IOC. A pretty big rejection, right? Like this is a 275 to 341. That's like a 75 pip rejection right there, which isn't good for what I'm doing, right? Let's see if it rejects this. If it doesn't, I'm going to hop out of the trade. Simple as that. Hold on, dude. 36 seconds left. Let's see how this thing finishes. This is a key finish right here. If it finishes on top of here, then I'm not going to like it. But if it finishes breaking below here, I like it. We got 20 seconds to see if it's going to do that. Dude, get out of here. What do you want? Here's the football. Want some agua? Yeah, it doesn't look like it's going to finish our way. You see how I rejected and respected it? Yeah, I just hopped out of it. Took a little loss right there. I think it's out of here. $25 pips. Oh, still rejecting it. But the way the 15-minute finished, it looks like it's pushing up. We'll see if that's true. But I think I'm gonna hop out. I took my loss, $125 loss right now. That kind of fucked up my my total for the day. But it's all right. You know, we'll take it. And oh, let's see if it retests this and pushes up. That's gonna be big right here. Whoa. If it finishes above, it doesn't matter. If it finishes like this up here, the body up here, it doesn't matter. It could still fly up on us. You would need this to finish like below here. Next one to finish below. All right. See that? That's what I was saying. It doesn't matter, right? Like it could get anybody with that. That's what I was talking about. You see how I broke below here? And I was like, it doesn't matter. It has to finish below here. It's exactly what I was saying right there. Even though price broke below here, it's retesting on this zone right here. Look at that. And if we go down to the 15-minute, look at how the 15-minute rejected that. I think it's going up. I think there's a really good chance it flies up. Excuse me. Really big chance that it flies up. I think I'm going to stay away just because I'm unsure. Even though I like this area to sell off from again, I think it's already showed its colors right here that it wants to make its move up here. So, I mean, yeah, I don't want to put in buys right now. Truthfully, I don't. Yeah, like kind of thinking of putting in a sell. But I just think the push up is too much for this. When's the stop loss be? Whoa. It would have to be something pretty far reaching, right? You're messing my vibes up, bruv. Look at that. That's crazy. See how it's rejecting that? That's how you know that there's a good chance that it can reject that. And that it just continues up. You be crying too much. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to stay away from here. And if the trade plays out and comes down perfect, we were kind of right. But at this point, I just want to stay away just because I know that there's a chance that it could push up from here, right? Like there's a chance it just flies up. And I don't want to put buys in when I seen this break right here, even though it's a retest of a strong IOC, a buy IOC. I don't know. I just don't want to go against the trend, right? Ultimately, that's kind of where I'm at with it. My gut's telling me to take the buy, but I don't want to. You know, don't go against the trend. We have this R2S being respected right here. Hopefully it comes down, and we'll see it that way. So if it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Whatever's clever. And, you know, hopefully you guys were able to make some money with me today. You know, we were able to catch a good 60 pips or so. And I'll take it. You know what I mean? I'll take it. So tune in tomorrow. We'll be on for Friday, and I think we got some big news coming out tomorrow too. Um, tomorrow, here. We have manufacturing coming out right now too, which is going to be big news. But I got to get my kids ready, so I'm happy with my profits. I don't even want to trade the news anymore. Let's see what tomorrow has. Okay, yeah, we have NFP, the official NFP and unemployment rate tomorrow. So it's let's hop on tomorrow at 5:30. I'll be on at 5:30 tomorrow, and we can get to it. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We'll get to it tomorrow, 5:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 8:30 Eastern Time, and we'll go from there. Thank you guys for tuning in, man. Thank you.